You gotta be kidding me.
I just had it inspected last week.
Pump the gas. Is there even gas in it?
Yes, I just filled it up yesterday.
Well, try it now. Oh, again.
We can't even do this right.
Get out and help me.
What?
We're gonna rock it back and forth.
Rock it back and forth. What's that gonna do?
Shut up. Get out. Can't do anything.
Let's go.
Get back.
All right, go. There you go. All right, a little more. Okay, try it.
Come on, baby. You can do it. Turn over. Turn over.
You got it.
Ah, come on. Come on. You.
Take your foot off the brake.
All right. Come on.
Try to neutral. Now, stop. Stop. It's not working.
We need somebody out here much quicker than that. It's a very urgent issue. We need this car started ASAP. That is ASAP? Well, I can tell you what, I am seriously considering possible. They said they'd be here in 3 hours.
3 hours. Do you have any idea how long that is?
I know, it's the best they could do.
You know what? To hell with AAA. We'll fix it ourselves. You got an owner's manual in the glove compartment?
Yeah.
Go get it.
Right. Look, Chapter 1, troubleshooting. First thing it says to do here is check the battery.
All right. How do we know if it's dead?
We just assume that it is and try to jump it.
Jump it from what? Neither of us drove.
Yeah, that's a problem.
Oh, wait! I got a booster pack! Yeah, my father-in-law got it for me for Christmas. I got it!
What a horrible gift.
What is a booster pack?
Oh.
So it's black to negative, red to positive. Yeah, but you have to ground the negative. What do you mean? You just clamp these on there? I don't know, that's not what it says in the book.
Watch you don't get zapped. God forbid one of you gets electrocuted. Be careful.
Give it a go.
Damn it. I really thought that was it.
What else? This says another cause could be that not enough air is getting into the engine.
That's probably it. Let's do that.
Yeah, let's try it.
Don't stick your fingers in there too far. They might get sucked in. You'll lose them. Now! Nothing. What? Nothing. Is it working? It's not working. Is it working? It's not working. What?
What else? Look, a clicking sound indicates that it could be a bad starter, huh?
Where's the starter?
It says it's between the engine and the transmission.
Is there a diagram?
Yeah, I'm sure there is. What we got here? Bingo.
Yep, there it is.
Here. Right here.
All right, got it. Let's see. Now, while you're turning the key, tap the starter with a mallet to make the electrical contacts work.
You can't get in there with a mallet. You need something skinny.
What, like a screwdriver?
Nah, it's got to be longer.
Yeah, I don't think I have anything like that.
You got to have something.
All right, let's check. I don't know.